Okay, so Joanna is planting tomatoes. They come in packs of 6, right? Packs of 6, so that means you have to buy them 6 at a time. And she needs 80 plants, so she needs 80 total, and she already has 28, right? I underline the important. How many packs of plants will she need? Okay, so let's set up an equation for this situation. So she has 28 plants already. We can buy packs, right? Some unknown amount of packs, but in each pack comes 6. So 6 for each pack, right? If I buy 1 pack, I get 6 plants, 2, I get 12. And she needs 80, right? So let's solve this equation. So we subtract 28 from both sides. And we get 6p equals 52. And we divide both sides by 6. And 6 goes into 52 8 times, which is 48. And the remainder is 4/6, which is 2/3, right? So we get 8 2/3 packs. But clearly she's not allowed to buy 8 2/3 packs, right? You have to buy a full pack, right? So she needs 9 packs of plants, right? If she buys 8, she won't have enough. And to get up to 80, she needs 9 packs.